all are welcome to my channel Healthy India 46. Today's topic Janu Naman. Keep watching.
Have you ever heard about Janu Naman? No? Well, you're in for a treat. Janu Naman, also known as knee bending, is a simple yet powerful exercise that can bring a world of benefits to your body and mind. To begin, find a comfortable spot and stay in the base position. Now bend your right knee, pulling your thigh close to your chest. Clasp your hands under the right thigh. Next, straighten your right leg, pulling up the kneecap. Keep your hands under the thigh, but straighten your arms. Your heel should hover about 10 centimeters off the floor. Now bend your right knee again, bringing your thigh close to the chest and the heel near the groin. Remember to keep your head and spine straight. This completes one round. Do this 10 times with the right leg, then switch to the left leg for another 10 rounds. For the second stage,